Hello? Hey! Oh no, I'm not doing anything at all. Yeah, I'm just talking to someone else on the other line. But she'll hold. Really? No, seriously. You've got to be kidding. I've got to hear all about it. Start from the beginning. No. She did what? And he said what? Please tell me he is not that stupid. Oh. I so wish I was there. I can't believe I missed that. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. No, allergies. Don't stop your story. Keep talking, please. No, no, don't mind me. Just keep telling me what happened next. Mhm. Mhm. Oh, that's crazy. Mhm. Oh, that is crazy. Wow, crazy. No, 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 no. I did not hear that. I heard you wrong. If I was her, I would never show my face around anyone, anyone, anyone ever. She should like just become a troll. Yeah, and live like in the forest where like there's no people or animals around. Uh huh. Like in the valley in the hill side or something. Like no bridges. She can't even be the troll under the bridge. She should never show her face ever again. In fact, she should have like plastic surgery in France or something and then come back like Asian or something. Yeah. You know what? I always hated her anyway. No, no, I totally get what you're saying. Well, maybe someone should just teach her a lesson. Yeah, I don't mean to cut you off, but I'm gonna have to call you right back, okay? Okay, bye.